Hello everyone, I am finally back with another squishy tutorial. I am so happy to finally be back making videos. I'm so sorry that I have been gone for a month now, but like I said in my previous video, I've been going through quite a lot of personal stuff and I've just been very distracted, and I've come away from, and for a while I was coming away from my hobbies, but I am finally back, and I am back with another jumbo squishy tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you how I made this jumbo crumpet squishy. And this is the first Christmas squishy tutorial I'm doing for this year. And the reason why I'm considering this as a Christmas squishy tutorial is because this is actually based off of something that I saw on Christmas. I think it was back in 2020, I think. And I'll show you my inspiration here. So I was actually inspired by these crumpet slippers, which are on the Warburton's website. Warburton's is the name of the company that makes the crumpets. And yeah, and I actually entered a competition back then to try and win some of these, but I didn't end up winning them. But I just absolutely loved how these looked. I just thought they were very funny and really clever. And these are also very popular as well, because when I was looking through the sizes, pretty much all the sizes have sold out. So yeah, I don't think I'll be getting any this year. I was really hoping to, but since I can't get a hold of these right now, I decided that I would make a squishy that was inspired by this. And yeah, you might also be thinking, well, can't you find them on other websites? But these are only available on the Warburton's website, I'm pretty sure. So they're like a I'm not sure, like a special edition thing or something like that. So yeah, it's like a limited time thing, it says here on the screen. But yeah, this is my inspiration, so I decided that I would make a jumbo crumpet inspired by them. And yeah, I'm really pleased with how it turned out. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just get on with the tutorial. And here it is once it is all dry, and I really like how it turned out. And I'm having to hold it and squish it with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other hand, so sorry about that. But yeah, I think this turned out really realistic looking. Here is what the back looks like. I probably could have made the shading on the back a little bit lighter, but anyways. And I'm really proud of how all of the shading on the front turned out. I think it made it look super realistic. Just all the different shades of brown that I used. And again, I recommend looking at pictures of crumpets for reference while you're painting on all of the shading. And this is super soft and squishy, as you can see. And just a little bit slow rising. And you might recall that I've actually made a crumpet squishy before in the past. I showed it in one of my homemade squishy updates. I'm not sure if any of you have seen it. Well, I'm pretty sure some of you have seen it, but comparing that to this one, I think this one is so much better, because I think for that that first one that I made, it was, well, I made it the same shape as an actual crumpet, but then I only used one shade of brown for the shading on the top, and it just didn't look realistic at all. I didn't like how it turned out at all. So yeah, I think this is a much better attempt. And also I like it way more because it is a lot bigger. You know that I love making jumbo squishies, of course. And again, I'll show you my inspiration for this. So, well, where I got my inspiration from for this. So again, it was these slippers on the Warburton's website. And yeah, I think I was able to recreate the shading on it very well. I think it looks quite similar. And I still hope to get these slippers someday because I absolutely love these. And also I forgot to mention that I do absolutely love crumpets as well. We actually bought some recently. So yeah, I really hope to one day get these slippers. Hopefully one day they'll have my size back in stock. But yeah, just very happy with this. And like I say, with all of my squishies, there are like obviously like I could have improved on certain things, but still I think I did a really good job. And I might end up making some more of these, and I might add on like different toppings. Like for example, when I have crumpets, I sometimes like to add strawberry jam onto mine, or sometimes I just like to add butter on the top. And yeah, please let me know what you think of this squishy in the comments below. So yep, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. And again, please let me know what you think of this squishy in the comments below. This is an idea that I've had in my head for a while now, so please let me know what you think. I worked really hard on this one. And yeah, just very pleased with the end result. And also, as always, please feel free to request any more squishy tutorials you would like me to do in the comments below. I'd love some more ideas from you guys. And also, please stay tuned because I should hopefully have, I think, at least one more Christmas squishy tutorial coming up for this year. I have one more idea in mind, which hopefully I can get done in time, but we'll see. So yep, that is it for this one. I really hope you enjoyed, and please stay tuned for more videos coming soon. Again, I'm just so happy to be back doing what I love. I've missed you all so much, and I've missed this channel so much. So yeah, anyways, that is it. I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.